Hi, I'm Chris Peacock, and this is Doctor Who, Season 3, Episode 8, Human Nature. So, I kind of feel like we're due for another two-parter. Maybe not. Maybe this is going to be two individual episodes. I'm watching these one right after the other, so even if it's two individual episodes, well, it's still two individual episodes even if it's a two-parter, because they're still each their own episode, so whatever. I still, main point, feel like we're due for a two-parter, because we had the two Dalek episodes, and that was what, episode 4 and 5? So now we had episodes 6 and 7 that were not a two-parter. Maybe not. Maybe we aren't due for a two-parter yet. It's hard to say. But I won't be at all surprised if this ends up being a two-parter. Let's leave it at that. And, yeah. Let's just get into the episode.
Get down! Did they see you?
I don't know.
But did they see you?
I was too busy running.
Martha, it's important. Did they see your face?
No, they couldn't have.
Off we go.
Well, they clearly did.
Take this watch, because my life depends on it. This watch, Martha. This watch is...
Okay. Was that a dream? Or was that something that happened and now this is the aftermath and it clearly worked and now we're going to see leading up to this? I mean, I have nothing to go on.
Pardon me, Mr. Smith. You're not dressed yet. I can come back later.
No, it's all right. It's all right. Put it down.
Okay. What is that? What is that, a bush? Or oh, it's landscaped. It's a tree. Why would anyone want to purposely make their tree look like that? Like this other tree over here that isn't made to look like an idiot tree. Looks good.
Not paid to have fun. I know. Put a little backbone into it.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
You there. What's your name again?
Martha, sir. Martha Jones.
Tell me then, Jones. With hands like those, how can you tell when something's clean?
That's very funny, sir.
Yeah, it was hilarious.
Excuse me, Martha. It's hardly good form to enter a master's study without knocking.
Sorry. Right, yeah. But is he all right? I said you fell down the stairs, sir.
Just a tumble, that's all.
Have you checked for concussion?
I have.
Okay, so Martha's still Martha. She's just acting like she's not. Okay. So whatever was chasing them is caught up. And the end of those directions was something to the effect of play along. Okay. Because if they didn't actually see Martha, then they wouldn't know that. Yeah, Martha's Martha. I think. And by that I mean she knows exactly who she is and when she's from, and she's just been instructed to act like she's from this time. Yeah. I know exactly what I'm saying, I'm just not sure if I said it well. I was gonna say when she was cleaning the floor that she seemed very modern. Like, ignoring the fact that she's obviously not Caucasian. She seemed very modern in how she was behaving. Like the other maid, when they were being rude, when the guys were being rude, was like, yes, master, sir, whatever she said. Martha was still kind of like giving it back a little bit, like not a lot, like she was, but definitely enough to tell me that she was being very modern. And that would make sense if she's still Martha, just acting, like trying to pretend.
Talking about
Africa. Your father.
You've been reading my post.
What?
Who said Africa? I've only just read the word myself. How did you know that?
I
Have you been spying on me?
No. I just guessed.
What's that supposed to mean?
I'm good at guessing, that's all.
Just you wait. One more month and I'm as free as the wind. I wish you could come with me, Jenny. You'd love it. Where
Okay,
you
so
go?
now she's not
Anywhere.
even pretending.
Just look up there. Imagine you could go all the way out to the stars.
You're saying too much. Jenny's gonna be the one that's bad. Ugh. Okay. That her reaction doesn't seem real. That's not how you reacted. Okay, this is a little better.
Adrian, are you alright? Did you see that? There was something in the woods.
I said hello.
No, you didn't.
Some kind of aeroplane. You chaps all right?
Why can't I see you?
Why would you want to see us?
I want to know what you look like.
Oh, that's easily.
I do too.
Because very soon, we will look so familiar.
No, I want to know what you really look like, not what you're gonna look like.
Come on, might as well get some sleep. Come on, chaps, maybe tomorrow. Jackson's got some beer in the pavilion.
Can you tell? Like, you can tell. I like the song.
This watch is me.
Right, okay. Gotcha. No, hold on. Completely lost.
Those creatures are hunters. They can sniff out anyone. And me being a Time Lord, well, I'm unique. We hide. Wait for them to die.
But they can track us down.
That's why I've got to do it. I have to stop being a Time Lord. I'm going to become human. Martha, before I change, here's a list of instructions for when I'm human.
Okay, instructions.
Don't let me hurt anyone. We can't have that, but you know what humans are like. 2, don't worry about the TARDIS. I'll put it on emergency power so they can't detect it. Just let it hide away. 4, no. Wait a minute. 3, no getting involved in big historical events. And 23, if anything goes wrong, if they find us, Martha, then you know what to do. Open the watch. Clever. Be proud of it. Use it. The secret lies within. I'm trapped. I'm caged inside the cold, in the dark, but waiting. Always waiting.
Okay, so for the first, I don't know, 15 minutes or so of this episode, I was thinking that this wasn't real life, like it was some kind of simulation. Around the time the aliens landed, I realized it was real. I was completely ready to not care about any of these people because I thought they were all fake. So now I kind of care about our little psychic friend whose name is escaping me. Timothy? Is that it?
Who's in there? It's one of those idiot boys from the school, is it, eh? Come on, let's play. Well, how did you...
A little girl with a red balloon. Yeah, get her. Thank you, Scarecrows.
I hope, Latimer, that one day you may have a just and proper war in which to prove yourself.
1 minute past the hour. It's now. Hutchinson, this is the time. It's now.
Discipline is good for them?
Does it have to be such military discipline? I mean, if there's another war, those boys won't find it so amusing.
Well, Great Britain's at peace, long may it rain.
It's
In your journal,
1913.
in one of your stories, you wrote about next year.
That was a good crow.
That scarecrow's all askew.
Yes, let's go fix it.
Ever the artist? Where did you learn to draw?
Gallifrey.
Is that in Ireland?
That's...
You're not Irish.
Not at all, no. Martha, what have I told you about entering unannounced?
Wasn't on the list.
Oh no, you were supposed to get rid of her. Useless scarecrows. At least get rid of the balloon.
It's pains, isn't it? This isn't very funny, sir.
Just shut up, stop talking, cease and desist, there's a good girl.
Can you actually dance?
Yes, you can.
I'm not certain.
There's a surprise. Is there anything you're certain about?
Sounds so interesting. Tell me. Tell me now.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, thanks.
Where is it? Oh my God, where's it gone? Where's the watch?
What are you talking about?
You had a watch. A fob watch? Right there.
Did I? I don't remember. Cultural differences. It must be so confusing for you. Mother, this is what we call a story.
Oh, you complete...
Oh!
Martha! Wake up! You're coming back to the TARDIS with me!
How dare you? I'm not going anywhere with an insane servant. Martha, you are dismissed. Leave these premises immediately. Now get out!
Oh, sorry! Sorry!
Martha?
Not now, Tim's busy!
You can dance.
Quite surprised myself.
So,
What's that?
now I really
Sorry.
hope this isn't a two-parter. This is entertaining enough, but I don't think there's enough story here. Oh, she still has the balloon!
I just wanted to say sorry for what I'm about to do.
Oh, now, really, Martha, this is getting out of hand. I must insist that you leave.
Do you know what this is? Name it. Go on. Name it. You're called the Doctor. The man in your journal, he's real. He's you.
So what is the deal with you? Like, you're some sort of psychic.
Silence!
Mr. Clark, what's going on?
The teacher, he's a doctor. I heard him talking.
You took human form.
He's no good like this.
We need a Time Lord.
Easily done. Change back.
I don't know what you mean!
Wait a minute. The maid told me about Smith and the matron.
That woman there.
Then let's hunt you!
Which one of them do you want us to kill? Maid or matron? Your friend or your lover? Your choice.
Ah, come on. I still don't think this is enough of a story for a two-parter, but it was enjoyable enough. Okay. It occurred to me in this final scene of the episode that I spent so long trying to figure out if the kid who plays Tim is someone from something else. I mean, obviously he's been in other things, but a certain other thing that I didn't even recognize that was the person playing Baines is Voldemort. Anyway. Yeah, I didn't realize it until this scene. It's like, wait, that's Voldemort. I don't know why it took me the whole episode. Probably because I was thinking about that other kid. Who is... that one I'm not going to say. I don't mind saying that Baines was Voldemort, but I'm not going to say who that other kid plays. Even though I'm actually pretty safe, because this is Doctor Who. Yeah. This is Doctor Who. I know this isn't going to make sense to most of you. Part of the reason that I don't talk about other shows is, as a lot of you might know, I am an editor for a different reactor. But this is Doctor Who. There is no way she's watching this. That is the kid who plays Peter Pan on Once Upon a Time, right? I don't want to look it up, but I think it's him. I think that's the kid who plays Peter Pan on Once Upon a Time. It might not be. I haven't seen Once Upon a Time in forever, so it might not even look anything like him. And when I say I haven't seen it in forever, I haven't seen season 3 in forever. I've seen season 1 very recently. I'm editing it, but I want to look it up. I know that kid's going to be in the next episode, though. Maybe I should wait until after the next episode, so I don't think he'll be in this show after next episode, so I think I'm safe to look it up after next episode. Alright, I'm going to end this here. I really want to know if he was Peter Pan. I know he was in the Maze Runner movies, but I don't... whatever. Yeah, I gotta find out. I gotta know. And I don't want to wait for you guys to tell me. Yeah, I will see you in the next episode, which I'm actually going to watch right now. So...